Hi, I'm Misty, and thanks for your interest in my hair follicle rejuvenation procedure training. What makes this hair loss treatment different than other methods is that it's non-invasive and you don't have to be a medical professional to perform it. The results are amazing. It's as effective as PRP, much less expensive, less painful, no labs are required, and in fact, it is easier than anything else on the market. There are no creams, no ointments, no supplements to take. It's all your own natural body doing its work. Most people need 5 to 8 treatments over a period of 3 to 4 months, depending on the amount of hair loss they have. The results are permanent, but because there's still a lot of unknowns when it comes to hair loss, I have my clients come back every 6 months for upkeep. I've spent a lot of time refining this process, and now I've developed a training. In this training, you'll get a kit, theory on how and why hair loss happens, how to combat it. You'll work on live models. I'll also teach you how to sell and market the course. Really, don't wait. You can start helping people now. This year, we plan on bringing trainings all across the US. Click the button below and learn how you can become part of this revolution.